This is definition 3.19. It's called a rank 1 update. This is really, really powerful. It exists in numerical optimization. BFGS, I think that. I've seen this in like tens of fields of mathematics. I've seen this in many, many different contexts, the idea of a rank 1 update.
Do you know what a rank 1 is?
Not yet. Yeah, but we will. Do you want me to give you some gut feeling on that? Non-zero outer product. It means that the matrix has exactly one linearly independent column. Should I answer that question? Maybe I should answer that question by going over here. What do you notice about every single column here? What does it mean for vectors to be linearly dependent? It means you can write one of the vectors as a scalar multiple of the other one. What do you notice about this vector and that vector? They're all scalar multiples of each other. What's the maximum number of linearly independent columns you can have in this matrix? 1. Here it is, x1, x2, xm. If these were all 1s, you would have that column. All the rest of these would be scalar multiples. If all the x's are zeros and all the y's are zero, this is a 0 matrix. That's not a rank 1 update. That's a rank 0 update. There's no rank in that matrix. There's all things are 0. But as long as every single one of these, or at least one of them, is non-zero, the entire matrix will have exactly how many linearly independent columns? By definition, rank 1. Rank counts the number of linearly independent columns. How much rank does that matrix have? Rank 1. What's a rank 1 update? Something about a matrix with one linearly independent column, right? So here we go. If you have a element of R m by n and vectors x element of Rm and y element of Rn, then a rank 1 update of A is given by A plus x times y transpose. That dot, when I say x times y transpose, what operation is that dot? Sure you do. Sure you do. You didn't say the magic word. Yeah, how'd you know that? That's not the transpose, because I could have made that a row vector. What is the answer to all questions about what operation is something in this matrix, in this class? Write the dimensions down. So you got caught in the classic trap that all mathematicians that I've ever worked with wanted me to get caught in. They wanted me to see the dimensions without thinking about the dimensions. That's a trap, right? First things first, obey your thirst, do what? Write the dimensions, right? Yeah. Stop having fun, it's math class. It's like one of the funnest, I don't know, spending time with my wife, spending time with my kids, and then hanging out with my students. Those are like, not in that order. I think wife and kids are pretty much in the same precedence.